Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm intern at Explora, and today we're going to be making bath bombs. Check the post down below to enter the Mother's Day raffle. The materials we're going to be using today is this big bowl to mix everything, witch hazel, some essential oils, this one is lavender, citric acid, baking soda, some measuring cups, dried lavender, and any molds you have at home, such as like ice cream trays, or think of something you can use. 8 drops of essential oil. Since we have lavender and the witch hazel, we're only going to put 8. Okay, now we're going to spray the witch hazel as much as we can until we can form the powder. Once it holds well like this, and we're ready to put it in the mold. Once you put it in the mold, try to pop it out and let it dry on a paper towel or tray. And then if you can't pop it out, then just wait for it to dry in the mold and then pop it out. That's how they should look. They're like the final ones. Done, feel free to try different materials at home, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.